Have you ever wondered what secrets lie behind the glittering lifestyles of the ultra-wealthy? What does it really take to live like a billionaire, and could you be unknowingly aspiring to a life that's not as glamorous as it seems? In this video, we're pulling back the velvet curtain to reveal the true costs and realities of living at the pinnacle of wealth. Join us as we dissect the lifestyle choices that define the richest on the planet, from private jets to penthouses, and explore whether these luxuries really translate to happiness. Miss out on this, and you could continue chasing dreams that might not bring the fulfillment you expect. Stick around as we dive deep into the world of luxury, wealth, and what it genuinely means to enjoy the spoils of success. The illusion of wealth, a reality check. Many grow up impressed by the lavish lifestyles of the ultra-wealthy, captivated by their private jets, exotic cars, and penthouses. But behind the glamour, there's a practical reality to these luxuries that often goes unspoken. Exploring the costs associated with living like the ultra-wealthy can be eye-opening. For example, super yachts. Cost. Owning a super yacht can be the ultimate status symbol, with costs ranging from $10 million to over $100 million for the initial purchase. Additionally, annual maintenance, crew salaries, docking fees, and fuel can cost up to 10% of the yacht's initial price. Reality. While the allure of sailing the high seas in utmost luxury is undeniable, the actual utility and frequency of use can be surprisingly low. The average yacht owner uses their vessel for less than 6 weeks a year, leading to a staggeringly high cost per use. High-end watch collections. Cost. Luxury watches from brands like Rolex or Patek Philippe can range from $10,000 to several million dollars per piece, often purchased as an investment. Reality. While these watches are exquisite and can appreciate in value, the complexity of the watch market means not all watches hold their value. Maintenance and insurance costs can also diminish returns, making it a less liquid and sometimes risky investment. Elite club memberships. Cost. Membership fees for high-end clubs, whether country clubs, private dining clubs, or social clubs, can range from tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands of dollars annually. Reality. The benefits. Networking opportunities, exclusive access, and premium amenities are significant, but the value is often intangible and dependent on personal usage and engagement levels. For many, the cost outweighs the actual time spent enjoying these facilities. Customized luxury vehicles. Cost. Beyond just exotic cars, customized luxury vehicles can include features like bulletproofing, custom interiors, and advanced technology packages, pushing costs into the hundreds of thousands. Reality. The depreciation on such highly customized vehicles is steep, and the specialized maintenance can be prohibitively expensive. Plus, the comfort and tech features in high-end yet non-custom vehicles are often just as impressive at a fraction of the cost. Private island retreats. Cost. Owning a private island can cost millions up front, with ongoing expenses for transportation, staff, maintenance, and development potentially doubling the initial investment. Reality. While owning a private island offers ultimate privacy and prestige, the logistical challenges and maintenance responsibilities can make it less enjoyable than anticipated. The infrequency of visits and higher upkeep can make luxury resorts a more practical and enjoyable option for many. The true value of money. Lessons learned the hard way. The fascination with wealth often overshadows the practical aspects of financial freedom. Spending on luxuries like private jets or exotic cars often doesn't bring the incremental happiness one might expect. Diminishing returns on happiness. The initial thrill of acquiring luxury items like exotic cars or designer clothes often fades quickly. The ongoing satisfaction these items provide does not proportionally increase with their cost. For example, driving a luxury sports car might thrill initially, but the day-to-day joy it brings can be similar to that provided by a far less expensive vehicle. This realization pushes many wealthy individuals to seek fulfillment in more sustainable and emotionally rewarding investments, such as experiences with family and friends, philanthropy, or personal development. The burden of upkeep. High-maintenance lifestyles come with hidden burdens. The upkeep of mansions, yachts, and luxury cars involves not just financial costs, but also significant time and energy. The logistics of managing properties across different countries or maintaining a collection of high-value assets can detract from the enjoyment they are supposed to provide. Many find that simplifying their lifestyle leads to greater peace of mind and enjoyment. Opting for a more minimalist approach, some choose to invest in fewer, higher quality pieces or properties that offer better long-term value both financially and in terms of personal enjoyment. Social isolation? Extreme wealth can lead to a form of social isolation, as peers who can share the same lifestyle are fewer. Trust issues often arise, with doubts about whether relationships are genuine or financially motivated. Wealthy individuals often turn to exclusive clubs or communities to find a sense of belonging. However, many also find it rewarding to maintain or form new connections based on shared interests or values rather than economic status, grounding their social interactions in authenticity. Practical wealth management. Beyond the glamour. Real wealth isn't about how much you spend, but how you manage your finances relative to your income. The ultra-wealthy often find that many high-ticket expenses aren't worth the cost after achieving them. Wealth is a means, not an end. For many who achieve great wealth, the realization dawns that money is a tool, not a goal. It can enable experiences, provide comfort, and secure futures, but it does not equate to happiness or self-worth. Wealthy individuals often shift focus towards personal passions, family, and altruistic pursuits. They use their resources to create positive impacts, leveraging their wealth in meaningful ways that bring personal satisfaction and societal benefits. Sustainability and legacy. 1. Insight. With great wealth comes the opportunity and responsibility to think long-term about the impacts of one's lifestyle choices, both environmentally and socially. 2. Real-life application. Many choose to invest in sustainable technologies, participate in or start charitable foundations, and engage in active philanthropy. 2. They focus on building a legacy that aligns with their values, ensuring their wealth contributes to causes they care about. Mental health and personal growth. Maintaining mental health and personal growth can be challenging amidst wealth, as the external pressures and expectations are significant. Emphasizing personal development, many wealthy individuals engage in regular self-reflection practices, seek mental health support, and prioritize activities that foster personal growth, such as meditation, art, or education. By understanding these deeper lessons and looking beyond the superficial aspects of wealth, individuals can navigate the complexities of an affluent lifestyle more wisely and fulfillingly. They learn that true contentment comes from using wealth to enrich not just their own lives, but also the lives of others, fostering a richer, more connected human experience. Lifestyle choices of the truly wealthy. Many who have reached the pinnacle of financial success will attest that the most satisfying experiences often come from more modest pleasures. Research shows that experiences, from travel to cultural events, tend to bring more lasting happiness than material goods. Instead of buying another luxury watch or car, a wealthy individual might choose to invest in a family safari in Africa, a private cooking class with a renowned chef, or a sabbatical to learn a new language or skill. These experiences not only enrich their lives, but also create cherished memories with loved ones. Focus on health and longevity. Health is often said to be the real wealth. Wealthy individuals increasingly invest in their health through personalized medicine, advanced medical screenings, and wellness retreats that promote longevity and well-being. Executives and entrepreneurs might have personal trainers, nutritionists, and life coaches as part of their regular regimen. They also tend to engage in wellness practices like yoga, meditation, and biohacking techniques to maintain their physical and mental health. Philanthropy and social impact. Philanthropy is a significant part of the lifestyle for many who have accumulated substantial wealth. Giving back provides a sense of purpose and fulfillment that money alone cannot offer. Bill Gates and Warren Buffett, through initiatives like the Giving Pledge, have encouraged billionaires to commit a majority of their wealth to charitable causes. Many wealthy individuals establish or contribute to foundations that address global challenges such as poverty, education, and climate change. Discreet consumption. Contrary to popular belief, not all wealthy individuals flaunt their wealth. Discreet consumption involves maintaining a relatively low profile regarding spending and lifestyle choices. Some billionaires drive modest cars and live in homes that are not ostentatious. This discretion can help maintain privacy, reduce security risks, and keep them grounded. Education and legacy building. Wealthy families often focus on providing excellent education opportunities for their children and on building a legacy that extends beyond financial wealth. Beyond sending their children to top schools, wealthy individuals invest in personal development opportunities for their family, such as internships, mentorship programs, and travel to prepare them to manage wealth responsibly and continue the family's legacy. Sustainable living. With growing awareness of environmental issues, many wealthy individuals choose sustainable living practices that reflect their responsibility towards future generations. Investments in renewable energy sources for their homes, choosing electric or hybrid vehicles, and supporting or starting sustainable ventures are some ways the wealthy contribute to environmental sustainability. Rethinking wealth and happiness. As we've explored, the dream of living ultra-wealthy might not be as glamorous or satisfying as it appears. It's essential to balance aspirations with practicality and to seek happiness in ways that are truly fulfilling. If you're aiming for financial freedom, be sure to watch our other videos and consider focusing on building wealth in proportion to your expenses, not just accumulating income. Remember, true happiness in wealth comes from what you desire less of, not just what you possess more of.